Okay, guys, this is Orman. Orman is a busier street. This is the front grand porch. I like it. You do have some shifting, cracking. Once again, normal. Up there on exterior, there's something happening there. The front door lock's a little confusing. Stumped me for a second, but I figured it out. All right. So walk in. Nice big heavy front door, which I like. This appears to be knob and tube wiring right here. Hardwood floors in the entry. Looks like original windows again, painted. Big fireplace. I don't know if it's functional. Very grand. You do have something happening there. Popcorn ceilings right there. Go into the first room. They stained the wood dark. I don't know if you can see that. Have the coffered ceilings, which is very cool. Lots of character in this guy. Little baby grand. Nice light there. Double doors going into the formal dining room. Coffered ceilings that have the fabric on them. Very, very cool. Kind of gives you I want to say like old-timey saloon feel, if that makes sense. Very cool. You got wallpaper. Let's see. Okay. With these houses, it's always so cool, but it's like a maze going through. So glass door, I love the doors and the glass doorknobs. Lots of character again. Basement. Let's do the kitchen first and then we'll go down there. So this is the kitchen. Very nice. Oh, that goes, I'm not going to open that all the way. That goes back out into the formal dining room. So you have 3 ways to get into the kitchen from that side. But these are not stone countertops. These are like the painted Formica, I believe, but that's not stone. Off the kitchen is a little mudroom that goes into the back. Covered deck, patio, which is very nice in Pueblo because we do get hot. We're considered a high desert. No grass or anything, but that's okay. And off this little mudroom is a laundry and bath with a walk-in shower, which is nice. Very cool. All right. And over here. Oh, pantry. Basement. So once again, I'm looking at the walls and stuff. These ones seem fine. This is probably just understair or maybe furnace. Yep, oh, that's an oldie but goodie. That is the old broiler system, it looks like, but they do have a newer furnace right there. Hot water heater. I'm assuming there's no AC because they have all their window units stored down here. lots of finished space down here, which is kind of cool. Storage, lots of paint. Let's just access water lines right there look new. So I don't want to assume, but that'd be awesome if they replaced all the water lines with the apex, but no weird smells so far. Oh, okay. Well, that's the end of that, folks. So I'm guessing the water lines have been replaced at some point in time. But as always, I'm not going to assume. But the ones that I've seen so far, they're the apex, which is awesome because they expand and all that jazz. Okay, so painted floors. Very, very cool. Again, you guys pick the ones with some good character. So, old wooden weighted windows, just like the last one. Very cool chandelier. Cool view of the stairs. And, okay. So this, they made a walk-in closet. Which is smart, because what else are you going to use it for? I'm assuming this is the primary. So very cool again. This balcony looks in better condition than the other one a little bit. And they obviously sit out there and use it because they have chairs and stuff out there. But very cool. Pretty big. This one, so I'm not getting the slopey. Okay, well that's interesting. I don't know what this is. Okay, well, we're gonna turn that off. It's used as a closet, but there's water connections right there. So I have a feeling that was probably like an old feature. Or I don't know. Anyway, what I was saying, sorry, about the floors is I don't feel slopey. Woo, that one popped. But somebody has painted over every single floor. So I don't know if. The other thing I am noticing is there's no heating vents up here. So that's interesting. Closet. I'm gonna go back in that primary. There's a little balcony out here, and it looks like it is usable as well. The no heating vents, I don't know what to make of that. Linen closet, little storage closet. So this is bedroom number 3. I will tell you that this house backs up to a high school. So that is the high school football field. And that little building right there does not belong to you. It belongs to the house next door. I only know that because I sold the house next door. Roof looks okay, but that tar part right there, that section, kind of on the flatter part, we would just have checked to make sure that the membrane is solid. Flat roofs can kind of be a pain that way. Closet, kind of standard size closets. They really did paint every inch of this. They have the little vent windows. Those are always cool. So right here it's slopey, so I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but this counter right here slopes that way a little bit. Could have settled many moons ago, but walk in here. All right, so toilet and then shower, rain shower, which is cool. These people have a lot of character with their style. I like it. All right, and the last, and right next door you have a toilet, sink, and bathtub room. That's interesting. So that's 1, 2, 3 baths in this one. That's kind of cool. So there's that. So just know, and that's the track and field and stuff like that. So just know that's what you're backing up to. No funky smells, anything like that. This might be a 2-part because I think it's going to glitch out. Hold on.